Welcome back. You're watching India Market Open. Well, it's time to take a look at the futures and options space. And of course, the bulls are very much in control. We made another new high and the Nifty has conquered 24,000. So that's the big takeaway from yesterday's day of trade. But with that, we move into another series. On a monthly basis, we're entering into the July series. And at the moment, naturally, we're also seeing a lot of traction with respect to the Nifty futures coming in at around the 45% increase in open interest there. The Bank Nifty, on the other hand, was a relatively quieter index yesterday. Very little change in open interest there. Now, as we move in, to a new week, naturally, we're keeping an eye on 24,000. That's where we saw a lot of calls and puts being written yesterday, as well as that for now remains the focal point when it comes to your overall open interest distribution as well. And of course, over the course of the next couple of days, we will also get a better understanding of the kind of range that the markets want to move within. But when it comes to stocks, again, keeping an eye largely on those which did see a surge in OI. And of course, these numbers will look larger because we're well into the new series at the moment. So we do have India Cement, in fact, the whole cement sector in focus. But today we will also have a lot of traction when it comes to the futures and options space. That said, let's bring in an expert on this note and take a look at what he is making of these markets. We have Aditya Arora of Analytics Research joining us on the show. Aditya, good morning. Thank you so much for joining in. I believe that the IT sector is in focus for you at the moment. How are things looking here and what is your view?
Very good morning, Agam. I think IT sector really stands out because it has underperformed for a long time. Look at the large caps like TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra. They haven't done anything since last many weeks and months. Although a strong bull market is going on in the market, and if we compare it to the mother market, that is US market, we have seen a monster rally in Nasdaq and all of its component. Like we frequently hear about Nvidia having the monstrous rally over there, but in India we hardly see any rally in IT counters. So there's a big divergence between what's the global trend and what's happening in India. So technically now things are looking better. We saw good volume participation in this week and last week. So these stocks are being accumulated by the institutions. I think yesterday we saw a rally. Now there could be a continuation of the rally. So I think this rally may not fizzle out quickly and there's more steam left. So the first counter on my list is TCS. Over here, one can buy 3950 call option at 97.20. 4050 call can be sold at 58.65. Maximum loss potential is 6755 and maximum profit potential is 10,745. So it's a bullish strategy. Stock goes up, one makes money.
So that's your view on TCS. That's a bull call spread that Aditya is looking at right now, with about 6 rupees or 6.5 rupees of risk for a little over 10 rupees gains that you can potentially make. But the other stock on your radar, Aditya, is also from the IT space?
Correct. Second stock is also from IT space, that is Tech Mahindra. Over here, one can buy 1440 call at 54.35 and sell 1500 call option at 29.30. Maximum loss potential is 15,030 and maximum profit potential is 20,970.
There is another bull call spread with respect to Tech Mahindra. Of course, the advantages of having two stocks instead of one is that you in fact get to hedge your bets, perhaps diversify into separate counters, and I reckon that that's what Aditya is going for. And you never know that the gains on one counter may be a lot sharper as compared to another, and under those circumstances you actually do stand to make those gains as well. Aditya, on that note, taking a moment to thank you for joining us and taking us through your views on the markets and of course giving us those two ideas when it comes to stock options. With that, it's back to you all.